Hi, I'm Seth, Laboratory Manager here at Photonics. Today I'm going to give you a little bit more information about a new feature within NRecon which allows you to save your oversized scan parameters. Not only will this save you time in your work, you can also ensure that everyone within your organization is starting off with the same parameters for each scan, allowing for better comparisons between datasets.
Welcome inside the latest version of NRecon. What we see here is a two-part oversized scan of an inkjet cartridge previously featured as a Photonics Image of the Month. After already adjusting our reconstruction settings, we are ready to begin the reconstruction process. To do so, simply click on the Start Reconstruction button. As with past versions of NRecon, we will see a pop-up menu allowing us to select the parameters which will be used during the oversized scan matching process during the reconstruction. New, we will see the fifth option to keep the settings applied and not be asked each time we begin an oversized scan reconstruction. So we'll go ahead and enable that and click OK. We'll also receive a confirmation menu of the settings which will be applied and some information about how we can change these settings in the future. Clicking yes a second time will begin the reconstruction process as normal. If at a later date you want to go back and change any of the settings which we have saved for our oversized scan reconstructions, we simply need to navigate to the Options menu and the Preferences tab. Within this window there are a lot of preferences, however for now let's just focus on the oversized matching options. Within the oversized matching options, you now see you have the ability to turn on and off the 4 different oversized scanning options that we previously used to select on a scan-by-scan basis. You also have the ability to go back to a mode where the NRecon software will ask you for your settings before each scan by unchecking the Apply Silently button. Clicking this button brings up a final confirmation window that lets you know that you can change these settings in the future. Hitting OK will allow us to again hit OK on our preferences, and now we've reverted back to what we used to do in previous versions of NRecon, where each time we begin a scan, we will see the prompt for oversized scan parameters.
Hi, I'm Tim Sleds, President of Photonics. Thank you for taking the time to watch our tip of the month. For other tips and other information, please visit our site at microphotonics.com or feel free to give us a call or an email with any questions you might have.